Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. In this presentation we are continuing with our subtopic where we are going to talk of rationalizing a denominator of surds that contains 3 terms. We are going to rationalize surds containing 3 terms in the denominator. If you have not yet watched the previous videos where we had part A and part B and we rationalized denominators containing 1 and 2 terms, please, I'm going to leave the link of the playlist in the description below. Please tap on it and watch the other videos for better understanding. And if you are not this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified when I upload any video, like and share. So let's now dive in. We have these 4 numbers as examples. We have from number 1 to number 4. As usual, I'm going to take you through the ones on the left hand side, which are of odd numbers. That means we are going to go through number 1 and then number 3 together. These 2 on the right, that's number 2 and number 4. It is you to try out. You try out with them and endeavor to drop the answers in the comment section. I'll supplement on that. Let's now dive in with our response. That's number 1. We have the square root of 6 minus the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 6 minus the square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So we are going to rationalize to make the denominator here, to make the denominator, this one, to be a rational number. But before that, in the previous videos, we say that we get the conjugate of the denominator. And in here, we see we have 3 terms. What we are going to do, assume we have the denominator as maybe the root of A plus the root of B minus the square root of C. The conjugate, we are saying that the conjugate can be, so we have 3 terms. We can treat, for example, this as 1 term. Say that the conjugate of this becomes the square root of A plus the square root of B. And since we are getting the conjugate, we change this sign from subtraction to become addition plus the square root of C, or vice versa. You can make this to be one identity, 1 term, then you change this sign. It's what we are going to do definitely here for these numbers. We are going to simplify or rationalize. It means that our root 6 minus root 3 divided by root 6 minus root 3 plus root 2 equals to, so let's say that maybe the conjugate equals to root 6 minus root 3 divided by root 6 minus root 3. Now, if we treat this as one entity, it means that here we are going to have the plus root 2. And since we are rationalizing, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. If now we treat this as one entity, it means we are going to multiply it by its conjugate, which is to be the root 6 minus root 3 minus, you see here there is a plus, so we're putting minus root 2. We do the same to the numerator, so we multiply by the conjugate, which is root 6 minus root 3 minus root 2. So let's now simplify this. This is the same as, we see that these identities are the same here. That means we are going to have the square root of 6 minus the square root of 3, the whole of it squared, minus the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 6 minus the square root of 3. We close the brackets. Divided by, so down here we have the difference of 2 squares. So we have the square root of 6 minus the square root of 3, the whole of it squared, minus the square root of 2, but squared. As we simplify this, we are having 6 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by 3 plus 3 minus, we have root 2 multiplied by 6 plus root 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 6 minus 2, then root 6 multiplied by 3 plus 3 minus 2. So we continue with our simplification. So in here we have 6 minus 2 root 18 plus 3 minus the square root of 12 plus the square root of 6 divided by 6 minus 2 root 18 plus 1. This is the same as 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 2. This 18 is same as 9 multiplied by 2 minus root 12 is same as root of 4 multiplied by 3 plus, so this one remains, divided by 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 2 multiplied by the square root of 9 multiplied by 2. From here we are having 9 minus the 2 multiplied by the 3, which is coming from the square root of 9, but multiplied by the square root of 2 minus the 2 root 3 plus the root 6 divided by the 7 minus the 2 multiplied by 3 root 2. This is equal to the 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6, the whole of it divided by 7 minus 6 root 2. The same way, conjugate of 7 minus 6 root 2 is 7 plus 6 root 2. So we have to proceed until we make this denominator rational. So as we are continuing, we are having the 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6. We are going to multiply the numerator by the conjugate we have got, which is 7 plus 6 root 2 divided by the 7 minus 6 root 2 multiplied by its conjugate, which is 7 plus 6 root 2. From this step, we see that the denominator is a difference of two squares. So we are having the 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6 multiplied by 7 plus 6 root 2, close the brackets, divided by, this is same as having 7 squared minus 6 root 2, the whole of it squared. This is the same as having 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6 multiplied by 7 plus 6 root 2 divided by 7 squared is same as 49 minus 36 multiplied by 2. This is same as having 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6, but multiplied by the conjugate, which is 7 plus 6 root 2 divided by 49 minus 72, implying that we have 9 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus root 6, the whole of it multiplied by 7 plus 6 root 2 divided by, when you subtract, we are getting negative 23. And we can see that we have fully rationalized the denominator. So the denominator is a rational number. Therefore, as simplified the numerator, you have got the rationalized surd, whereby the denominator is a rational number. Let's go to number 3. We have root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Conjugate of root 2 plus root 3, we can treat this as one entity, minus root 5 is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5, implying that we are having the square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 minus the square root of 5 being equal to the square root of 2 multiplied by the conjugate, which is the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 minus the square root of 5. I mean plus, this is a plus, sorry, the conjugate is having a plus, so we close the brackets, divided by the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 minus the square root of 5 multiplied by its conjugate, which is the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 plus the square root of 5. Close the brackets. This is the same as having, so we are having the square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is now 2 plus the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 3 is square root of 6 plus the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 5 is square root of 10 divided by, I said the denominator we treat it as a difference of two squares, so we are having divided by the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 by the whole of it squared minus the square root of 5 but squared. This is equal to the 2 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 10 divided by the 2 plus 2 square root 6 plus a 3 minus the square root of 5 squared is same as minus 5. This is equal to the 2 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 10 divided by, so in here we have 2 plus 3 is 5, then minus 5 is 0 plus the 2 root 6. So in here we need to rationalize it further. We are going to multiply the denominator by itself and by the numerator, so that we are going to have the 2 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 10 multiplied by the denominator, which is 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 6 multiplied by itself. This is equal to, so 2 multiplied by 2 root 6 is same as 4 root 6. Then root 6 multiplied by 2 root 6 is same as having a plus 2 multiplied by 6 plus root 10 multiplied by 2 root 6 the same as having 2 root 60 divided by, so 2 root 6 multiplied by 2 root 6 the same as having 4 multiplied by 6, so that we are having the 4 root 6 plus 12 plus 2 root 60 divided by 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. You can see we have fully rationalized the denominator, and we can reduce by 2. The denominator is going to remain 12. Then 4 by 2 remains the 2 root 6 plus 6 plus root 60. Therefore, root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 is the same as having 2 root 6 plus 6 plus root 60 divided by 12. This becomes the answer for part number 3. Please try out the remaining two numbers. Try out number 2, number 4, and drop the answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again.